The red-billed blue magpie is a colorful bird species belonging to the crow family, Corvidae. They are found in the Indian subcontinent, Southeast Asia, and parts of China. Their range includes countries such as India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand, Vietnam, Laos, and parts of southern China. These magpies are typically associated with forested environments. They inhabit a variety of forest types, including subtropical and tropical forests, as well as mixed deciduous and evergreen forests. Red-billed blue magpies can be found at various altitudes within their range, from lowland forests to higher elevations in mountainous regions. They are often found in the canopy of trees, where they move actively and display their agile and acrobatic behavior. In some areas, they may also adapt to human-altered habitats, including gardens and wooded areas near human settlements. The majority of the body is covered in beautiful blue plumage, which can vary in shade from deep cobalt blue to a lighter sky blue. The tail is notably long, contributing to their overall elegant appearance. The white tip on the tail is a distinctive feature, creating a striking contrast with the blue feathers. As the name suggests, these magpies have a conspicuous reddish-brown bill, which stands out against the blue plumage. Their legs are also of a similar color. They have a black mask-like stripe across their eyes and forehead, giving them a somewhat bold and expressive facial appearance. The length of the red-billed blue magpie typically ranges from about 65 to 68 centimeters. The weight of these magpies can vary, but they generally weigh around 196 to 232 grams. Red-billed blue magpies are social birds and are often seen in family groups or small flocks. They may engage in activities such as foraging, roosting, and traveling together. These magpies are well adapted to life in the trees and are often found in the upper canopy of forests. Their ability to navigate through the branches and foliage showcases their agility and comfort in arboreal habitats. When moving through the trees, these magpies exhibit hopping and jumping behavior, utilizing both their wings and legs. This allows them to navigate complex and uneven terrain in the canopy. The long tail of the red-billed blue magpie serves not only as a visual feature but also plays a functional role in flight. It helps with balance and stability, especially when making rapid turns or navigating narrow spaces in the branches. Red-billed blue magpies are known to engage in acrobatic displays, including mid-air maneuvers. These displays may serve social or territorial purposes and can be observed during certain interactions within the group. Red-billed blue magpies are capable of producing melodious whistles that can be quite pleasant to the human ear. These whistles are often used for communication within the group. They also produce harsh scolding calls, which can serve as alarm signals. These calls are often used to warn the group of potential threats, such as predators. In non-threatening situations, these magpies may engage in chattering and chirping sounds. These vocalizations are likely part of their social interactions and may help reinforce bonds within the group. When members of the group are separated, they use contact calls to maintain communication. These calls help them stay connected while foraging or moving through the trees. Red-billed blue magpies may also engage in territorial calls, especially during the breeding season. These calls are meant to establish and defend territories and may serve to communicate with neighboring groups. Some magpies, including the red-billed blue magpie, are known for their ability to mimic sounds from their environment, including the calls of other bird species. The specific lifespan of red-billed blue magpies in the wild is not extensively documented, but, like many wild bird species, it can be influenced by various factors, including environmental conditions, predation, and availability of food resources. In general, the lifespan of magpies, including the red-billed blue magpie, tends to be shorter in the wild compared to captivity. In captivity, under proper care and conditions, some magpie species may live for more than a decade. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that the lifespan in the wild is often shorter due to factors like predation, environmental hazards, and competition for resources. As with many birds, the red-billed blue magpie's lifespan can be influenced by its ability to avoid predators, find sufficient food, and navigate through various environmental challenges. Individual variations and regional differences can also contribute to differences in lifespan within the species. Insects and other invertebrates form a significant part of the red-billed blue magpie's diet. They forage actively in the tree canopy, searching for insects such as beetles, caterpillars, grasshoppers, and other small arthropods. Red-billed blue magpies are opportunistic hunters and may feed on small vertebrates, including lizards, small snakes, and occasionally small mammals such as rodents. They consume a variety of fruits and berries. This part of their diet can include both fleshy fruits and berries, contributing to their nutritional intake. Their feeding on fruits also plays a role in seed dispersal within their habitat. Red-billed blue magpies may include seeds and nuts in their diet. Foraging for seeds contributes to their role as seed dispersers, helping with the regeneration of plant species in their environment. These magpies are known to scavenge on carrion. Carrion provides an additional food source, and their scavenging behavior helps in recycling nutrients within the ecosystem. The exact timing of the breeding season can vary across their range. Generally, breeding activity occurs during the spring and early summer months when environmental conditions are favorable. Red-billed blue magpies build cup-shaped nests using a combination of twigs, sticks, grass, and other plant materials. These nests are typically constructed in trees, positioned on branches or in the forks of tree limbs. The choice of nesting sites may vary, but they typically select locations in the upper branches of trees for better protection against predators. The trees chosen for nesting may include various species found within their habitat. Female magpies lay a clutch of eggs in the nest. The number of eggs in a clutch can vary, but it usually ranges from 4 to 6 eggs. The incubation period, during which the female sits on the eggs to keep them warm until they hatch, lasts for approximately 16 to 18 days. The incubation is primarily the responsibility of the female, although both parents may be involved in nest maintenance. Both parents actively participate in caring for the chicks after they hatch. They feed the nestlings and protect them from potential threats. The chicks typically fledge and leave the nest when they are around 3 to 4 weeks old. After fledging, the young birds are still dependent on their parents for food and guidance. Red-billed blue magpies are known to form family groups or small flocks, and it is common to see adult birds with their fledged offspring during the early stages of independence. During the breeding season, territorial behavior may be more pronounced as magpies defend their nesting territories against intruders. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for even more viewing pleasure. Don't forget, like and comment. Feel free to share.